Assalamualaikum everyone. So basically, the stock market has been running a little bit. As you can see over here, आज की हमारी just zoom in. So just within the day, we hit around from 42,000 opening. Say you made an incredible increase of 800 points, so almost closing out on exactly 41,000. And आप आज देख लेते हैं it's 4th of August. ठीक है, तो आज I think ये announcement around यहाँ 3-4 दिन पहले हुई थी कि भाई इमरान खान नॉट इमरान खान जो पॉलिटिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्राइसिस हुई थी वो क्लियर हो गई थी। आईएमएफ की डील्स की थोड़ी फाइनलाइजेशन भी यहाँ हो रही थी इन द लास्ट फ्यू डेज। अच्छा, so I was following a senior economist slash financial analyst on Twitter, तो वो ये कह रहे थे कि भाई the hard bottom for the KC 100 index will be right around here. We said like 39,500 would be the hard bottom, and we did actually break down over here. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं. However, I think this is it is a likely scenario, but I still feel there is more pain to come. Partly why? Because this is not the first time the market has risen like 1 to 3% in a day. यहाँ भी एग्जैक्टली सेम हुआ है। वो दिन यहाँ पे आप देखें, यहाँ पे 1500 पॉइंट्स का इजाफा हुआ है, और कन्वर्सली यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी डाउनफॉल भी हुआ है कंसेक्यूटिवली एक्चुअली, लाइक विद इन 2 वीक्स। ये देखिए आप फॉल देखिए 2%, 800 पॉइंट्स लॉस, 1700 पॉइंट्स लॉस। आई मीन अगर आप एक हफ्ते के हिसाब से देखें 2500 पॉइंट्स लॉस, तो ये लॉसेस होते रहते हैं। एंड अगर आप यहाँ पे सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस लाइन लगाएं तो you can see अच्छा यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग टर्म इफ यू लुक बैक इन 2020 अप्रैल, obviously जो क्रैश हुआ था ये कोविड क्रैश है, तो कोविड क्रैश के बाद we hit a very strong support. If you draw support from here, right about roughly here, so you can see that actually we broke that support line. We're just like back and forth movement हो रही थी, and now slowly we're heading towards a downtrend down here. ठीक है, तो if someone is trying to accumulate, because there is a very aggressive buyback period right now, और ये खबरों में भी आपने देखा होगा, डॉन वगैरह आप खोलें, profit.pk, profit.pakistantoday.com.pk आप खोलें, तो there's a lot of new sites covering this as well. मेरा लेकिन ख्याल है कि this is still a very short term boosted market, primarily because I believe we are poised to hit a very long-term support level instead. So if I clear all the drawings over here, I suppose volume is lagay, but khair, that doesn't matter. Acha. So this is the weekly. So one candle represents 1 week. Now what I'm seeing is this. Right after the 2008 financial crisis, we found a support line. And wow, would you look at that? Perfect. Almost perfect. Support, bounce, wicks down once, boom, 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 and now look at that. We might hit this support level again, and this seems very likely. And as I mentioned before, we've had amazing rallies and we've had like amazing falls as well. So look at this. This is almost a very clean support. Oh, sorry, clean rally, clean down. And this is what when 2019 rally down, rally, and then accumulation, rally, and then slight downtrend, downtrend. So this is obviously like a lot of investors have actually mentioned this is like a super cycle as well. तो हो सकता है ये भी चल रहा हो scene. But from what I can see, I am waiting to see if I can accumulate during this phase, because I strongly believe in the supported resistance lines, and if Khuda na khasta this breaks, if this level of support is broken, then it's not a good look. It's not a good look. Ideally, I would like to be accumulating until, however, I will be waiting until यहाँ पे proper resistance की level हम लोग breach ही कर लेते हैं. जब तक ये resistance level breach नहीं होता, I think I should call these red and green for support and resistance. So we have very strong support over here. Let me stick on the slide as well. Yep, very strong support and very strong resistance. Until we can break away from these patterns, and yeah, as you can see over here, this might not be, you know, the case. Obviously, this is just a weekly candle, but yeah, let's put it over here. Let's see, and you'll see sometimes support and resistance lines like to bounce, like boom, boom. There's like a mini magnet trying to get these candles up to those levels. But yeah, I strongly think that we are still in a downtrend, and we might hit these levels um, before we are able to, you know, um, break through from here. Of course, but this is stocks. Anything could happen. If you see a double bottom pattern, that might be the case. For example, over here, we go down here and then here, or we see a reverse head and shoulders like this. Oops. So like here, head, then shoulders, and then we might see a rally over here. So it depends what kind of patterns we see, what the market wants, but I still am in the favor that we will hit at least this apex, so around 38 to 37,000, before we see any significant boosts in the KSE 100 index just yet. So yeah, quick and dirty analysis, technical analysis. Hope that helps and informs your future decision making. However, I am going to be acquiring very soon a number of portfolios, a number of companies for myself. I'll be acquiring some shares just to dip my toes in the market. I've been in the crypto space for a long time, but I'm going to try and start earning divvies from the companies listed over here.